Sheesh! Look at that. Bro! Hell yeah. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys are liking these style of vlogs. I love making them with the boys. They've been hella fun. Go subscribe to the Dummy's channel. I'm pushing Ray to go start vlogging again. He has like 7 videos he said, so go do that. Like, comment, subscribe on this channel. It helps us out a lot. But today's video, I'm installing some underglow on the S13. I found this underglow on Auto Factory Realize's channel. They had a link, so I just bought it from them. It looked pretty sick, so let's go check it out. This is it right here. I guess that's the company. Slim line. I don't know if they have a fucking thick line, but let's unbox this bitch. Sick ass, they're hella linked. I was researching for hella long to see which ones are good. These are the ones that really stood out, but they were like 50 bucks on Amazon, dude. Quality though, look at this shit. Covered and everything. I think you just leave it like this too. Weatherproof. Starts here, all the way this way, this way, this way, and then this way. So the longer ones are gonna be on the side skirts, and these are gonna go front bumper, rear bumper. I just need power and ground, and then there's a little switch. Look at. I might just have to either self-tap them to the frame or something. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but we'll figure it out. Let's get this install started. Took a little bit of time, but let me show you guys what I've done so far. This is where it starts, and this is where it's gonna go to get power. I ran it through here. On the driver's side, this is where I ran it. I'm gonna tuck it under here, the fender, and I'm gonna hammer it so it fits flush right there. I ran it through this hole right here. I don't know if S14s are different or like R30. I don't know what car you guys gonna do it on. Sheesh, look at that angle. All right, for S13s, there's a hole right here for the harness. This is where I ran that first wire into here. There's supposed to be a rubber grommet right here, but mine fell off. And this is the ending wire of it all connected already. See it? They all link up, but this is the last wire. I ran it through the same hole, and that's where I'm gonna run the switch and the power. This is how I mocked it up. Put some zip ties. Make sure it's not lower than the frame. On this side, I ran it up through this hole, right next to the headlight. Like I said, I don't know what chassis you guys are gonna run. This one was pretty easy. I bundled up all the wires right here. This is the connector. I'm just gonna zip tie this and tuck it under the battery. I already hammered this side, like how I said I was gonna do on that side. This is nice and tucked under here. You can barely even see it. Right here, same thing. There's a hole right here. I zip tied it to those wires. Looks like for the wiper motor. Okay, for here, I zip tied it up here, like I said, and then down here. And then this is nice and tight already. This side is already pretty good. It's not gonna touch my wheel. I fed the wire through the fender because the sicer's gonna hide everything. This is where it goes. I'll just be careful for jack points. Okay, you guys can see the passenger side tube, LED. Ran it by the pinch weld. It's higher than the frame rail. So if I do hit anything low, this would hit first before this. So this would be fine. This is the little brackets they came with. I did 2 self-tappers. Over here, the self-tappers didn't fit on these 2 right here. So I had to drill a hole and just zip tie it. So that should be fine. Okay, there was a hole right here, like a little plug for like a screw for the inside. I took that off and the hole was big enough to fit the connector. So I ran them inside, and that's where I found the best part. You might have to drill into your car, so just in case. The wire that came with it was pretty long, so it was under my rear seat. ran it down. Here's where it connects. Ran it through, and that's where I was able to feed the rear lights. For S13s, there's this tank right here, hella low. I'm just gonna run it up here because if it does scrape, it'll probably hit the tank first. Shit's metal. If you guys saw my video, I did puncture it. It sucked. Link over here somewhere. I'm probably either gonna drill a hole in this bracket and this one just so it holds really nice. For the exhaust side, same shit. There's another hole on this side. Ran it up through that. Connected it to this. Same shit on the driver's side. Same shit, same hole. That I still haven't connected this side, so that's what I'm gonna do. But trying to show you guys where I'm at right now. In-N-Out crew neck. Okay, I see you. Jeez, look at this guy. He's a fucking In-N-Out burger. Hella scrumptious. You better get eaten today. Animal style too. What the? D just showed up. Start hitting my dog. The little clips they gave me, I just self-tapped them to the frame. Got two. The wires are all good. Zip tied it right here. So I tucked it all in there. So back here, I self-tapped it with the little clamps to the bracket on the fuel pump, on the fuel tank. So that's pretty good. I zip tied that because there was already a hole.
That what's up, Poppy?
It was good, bro. Did another little clamp right here. I found a little bracket in my house. I don't know where it came from, but I was able to bolt up right here, the little bracket, and then just zip tie this because I didn't want it too close to the exhaust. You know, it's kind of, I gotta still zip tie the wire so it doesn't touch the hanger because it might get hot here. Careful with your exhaust when you guys wire it. All right, did the same thing like I did on the passenger side. Drilled that, zip tie, drill that, zip tie, and then two little clamps up here. Here's where my little flasher relay is. If I touch it, turns it on. Sick. Now I just wire it to the underglow. Tease, be fire. Yeah? Hot boy guy.
You'll be dummy hot boy.
What the? What the? Okay. Thank you, bro. Thanks for the gift.
Hey, happy birthday, driver.
Imagine. That'd be so. Hey, we're stingy, bro. We want our wheels. we all keep them.
I brought you this because you helped me with my car.
Oh, that'd be so sick, man. One day when we're all rich.
Surprising my friend with his dream wheel.
Yep. Hey, one day, bro. You never know. Hey, like, comment, subscribe. And we'll be doing giveaways for wheels for you guys.
We'll be giving out some 3-piece wheels.
Literally, bro. Literally.
Everyone needs 3-piece wheels on all
Yeah.
their cars.
Everybody,
your
bro.
Car, your daddy's car, your grandma's car. The daily. Your little sister's first car needs to have VSKFs.
Oh, shit. Hey.
Nah, Blinto 3s.
Oh, baller, bro. Baller. Jeez. Look at that. Bro. Hell yeah. They work.
I wonder how it is when you go under the car.
Bro, once I put the body kit on and everything.
No, to work on the car.
Oh, I know, yeah. I gotta put some inside my wheel well too for the angle, bro. We do those Grange nighttime drifts.
Little LEDs and the.
I'm fucking hyped.
You're a space.
Dude, $50, it's worth it because it's really pretty much plug and play. Just the brackets are a little customizable comparing to what car you want. This one was pretty good. It was like out of 10, out of an install, it's probably like a 3 or 4 to me. So it's not too bad. Just a little bit of time and tucked everything really nice. Literally just wire it because right now I'm just testing it right now straight to the battery. If I do get done today with the wiring, then you'll see rollers. If not, then I'll be partying. Happy Halloween, y'all. Peace.
Later.
What the glizzy guy? Glizzy god? Glizzy god? Yeah, glizzy god. Do it.
What are you telling him to get in the middle?
I know, dude. You should have got in there, fucker.
Good times, bad times.